Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Yusef Scott, and I thank you once again for being here with me today as I talk about something that I think would definitely help a lot of you out who are looking for answers on how to trade the Forex market. All right, now let me say first, as always, I thank you for being here with me today as I am making this video. Those of you who are watching the recap, those of you who are watching this maybe months after I created this video, I thank you for taking time out of your day whenever you decide to watch this video to just be a part of my movement, at least on YouTube. I thank you. I thank you for just subscribing. Those of you who are loyal, I just want to thank you. I couldn't have grown to this level without you guys. But understand this with positive thinking and continued great energy around me and being positive, I too will allow this thing to continue to grow and elevate. Having that positive uh, energy around me, having people who are supportive will always allow this thing to flourish. So just want you guys to understand that many of you have contacted me about having troubles with entering the market, getting in the market, and the market just totally go against you. Most of you have, or a lot of people have contacted me about that. And I want you guys to understand that having a discipline while you are in the market is very important. All right? A lot of people just, this is what some people they do. They open up their charts, doesn't matter where they are, they open up their charts. A lot of people are trading off the smaller time frames, and they open up their charts and they just go with the direction of the current candle without really understanding what's going on. All right, they just open up their charts, they see that the candle might be bearish, they're going down. They don't know what they're doing for real. So and it's understood. I understand how it happens. I understand people are at different levels, but know this: that's not the way that you trade. In fact, if you're only trading with the direction of the current candle, that's very risky because you don't. If you're trading on a smaller time frame, the market could be going bearish, then bullish, then bearish, then bullish, all within a 5-minute range. You can get different candles. In 1 minute, it can go bullish to bearish a couple times. So I want you guys to understand that knowing the perfect entry is very important, and that's what I teach my students. All right. We have our own little series within our members area, which is called the Perfect Entry, training. All right, and I teach you how to get into the market. All right, I don't like to complicate things. Some people they like to overcomplicate things. If you for some reason I do not understand this, but people have the tendency of, because they see something that appears to be or is explained easy, or if something is of a smaller price, they think that it might be too good to be true, or they think that it's a scam, or they think that it's more to it, so they got to look deeper into it and overanalyze things, and it's not like that. Sometimes you have to understand that people might just know a little bit more than you, and they might just know how to explain things in a way that you can understand it, so that you don't have to make things hard. All right. So sometimes if you just let things just play out, you'll learn that every time you're thinking that something is too good to be true, or something it has to be something else, it has to be something else that's to it. sometimes you might just want to look at yourself. It's time for self-reflection. Look at yourself and ask yourself, why am I making this harder than what it needs to be? I do understand that some people are not aware of Forex on a level where they've seen both sides of the fence. They only know that they're told that Forex can take your money. They might have these thoughts in their mind that they might have seen online, that people say Forex is a scam and this and that, but not everybody is losing though. That's the thing. Not everyone who's trading Forex is losing. There are a great deal of people who make money. Unfortunately, there are a lot of people who says you should be trading this way instead of telling the truth about how people should trade in order to make money. Unfortunately, people are told to trade on a smaller time frame and not really people don't tell them that when you're trading on a small time frame, you're leaving yourself open to more fake outs. That's why so many people who are trading on the small time frame are losing money. That's the reason why people who trade on smaller time frames are probably forced to trade at a higher volume because it's more risky. That's why a lot of people who were once trading on smaller time frames are now coming over to the So Darn Easy Forex movement, because they see that trading at a higher time frame, there's more consistency. There's more room to make money instead of having to look at a small portion of the market and try to make millions. That's what they think. You're trading every 15 minutes, but you want to make thousands. You make thousands in 15 minutes if you're not increasing your volume so high that if the market was to go against you 5, 10, 15, 20 pips, you're out of the market. How could you do that? So, I want you to understand this. And if I'm the last person to tell you this, take it to heart. But I want to be the first person to tell you that trading on the smaller time frames will only get you smaller money, and it will leave your account exposed to a higher level of risk. Now, that's because the market is inconsistent on the smaller time frames. Of course, you can trade whatever way you want to trade, but I'm here to tell you, and I'm here to be in your face just a little bit, that trading on the smaller time frames, it takes more you have to babysit the charts more. You're gonna be stressed out probably more, and some people have a knack for it, not me. The majority of people who've come to the So Darn Easy Forex movement have realized the ease of trading long term. They're done with trading short term. They're so tired of it. Once you learn the perfect entry strategy, trading, having a long-term objective, your entry points spot on. The type of returns you can have, I don't have to explain that. I'm telling you guys, do not let this opportunity pass you by. It's time for you to come a part of the So Darn Easy Forex movement and learn the perfect entry. If nothing else, the perfect entry is what most people are struggling with. Most people do not know when to enter the market. I have simplified that. I've simplified it for everyone. I've made it easy for you to enter the market. No more guessing. You have a couple conditions that need to be met. In fact, only 2 are critical. The perfect entry has allowed many people to realize profit when they never have before. So I want you to take a moment to think about how your trading could improve if you knew how to enter the market with precision. It's so, let me just say this. For whatever reason, people just happen to open up a trade. The trade will not always go in your direction. Why is that? Very simple. Simply because of the fact that you've entered too soon, or you've entered too late. The perfect entry helps you, it guides you into knowing when to get into the market. You're at a 50% chance of winning. It's time to increase it. If the entire world was at a 50% chance of winning their trades, and if all of the emails that I receive from people, not even people who are now a part of the movement, but every day I get emails from people asking me, how could I learn to enter the market? Every time I enter in on a market, it goes against me. That's real simple. You need to be taught the perfect entry. You need to learn how to enter the market at the best time. That's it. So I want to help you guys do that. I want you guys to know that if you're ready to take your Forex trading to the next level, if you are ready to learn how to enter the market with confidence and do away with the fear, do away with the panic, the few emotions that we go through or people go through as Forex traders, learn to build your confidence to do away with the fear and the panic. It's time for you to change the outcome of your trading. All right? Until next time, you guys, this is Yusef Scott, dropping more nuggets of knowledge on you. I thank you for tuning in. You guys have a great day. Peace.